Hello guys, so it's Victor here. Welcome to the YouTube channel. So I've been getting a lot of message recently about people not getting web design clients. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you about why you don't get web design clients. Yes, I'm going to talk to you about why you don't get web design clients. So I've been getting DMs recently on my Instagram page, on my Facebook page, and people asking me, especially my WhatsApp, by the way, and people asking me, Victor, how do you get web design clients? I have not gotten any web design clients since I finished my web design course. Some will say my agency have not gotten any web design client recently for the past few months. These and so the complaints are literally be a lot, and I decided to review some of their agency, and here's what I found. And this is what I feel you could do to your web design agency or to yourself as a freelancer, so that you can be getting a lot of leads every month and a lot of web design clients. So I'm going to list out the strategy. I have them planned out right here. I'm going to list them out for you. I'm going to explain them. These are what I've applied. These are what have worked for me. And probably I feel they can also work for you if you put them into consideration or think about them. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So the first reason a lot of people don't get web design clients, or a lot of web designers don't get clients per month, is because they lack proper marketing skill. So marketing on its own, it's a separate business. If you know how to build website, you might know how to build website, you might know how to run SEO, but if you do not understand how to market your product or your services as a business, then it's going to be very bad for you. For example, you're a web designer or you're a developer, you know how to build premium website. Yes, you are good at what you do, but if you do not understand how to market yourself, that is going to be a very big problem for you, because you will not get any client. Now, marketing goes beyond just putting out content on your Instagram page, just putting out content on your Facebook page and posting on your WhatsApp page. Marketing goes beyond that. You have to be able to market yourself. You have to be able to sell yourself out using different strategies that you have out there. So I cannot start listing all the strategies right now, but you can actually go on Google and do your research or make your research wherever you want. You have ChatGPT. There are a lot of resources out there that could actually help you in order for you to understand how you can market yourself as a web designer. Not just only developing code, but also understanding that your services is also a business. So number 2 here, I wrote poor communication. So a lot of us have actually gotten people in our DM that want to actually give us this web design job. They might know someone that needs our services, but due to poor communication with them, they might never refer us. Poor communication might also be in the sense of they message us probably on our business contact like WhatsApp. They message you on your WhatsApp and you ignore their message. You just leave them on read. So this services or this system of poor communication, whereby you know you are going through a business, you are developing your business, and then you refuse to respond to people's DM. Now, when it's time for them to recommend someone for a certain project, they might not feel that you are the right person because you have poor communication with these people. Now, mind you, in my own DM, in my WhatsApp, because I respond most times to my WhatsApp, I really do not leave any message on read unless I did not see that message. And at the end of the week, what I do is I go to my WhatsApp and I look for all unread message and I start replying them one after the other. You know, this is Africa. If you are in Nigeria, basically, this is Africa, and you know how grit is actually have to most people. So by so doing, they might actually recommend you for a next job. I've gotten a client like that didn't give me the web design job, gave it to someone, but at the end of the day, I wanted to develop something again. He also messaged me and I did the second project for him. So the thing is, proper communication actually help you. Then number 3, they think web design is a get quick scheme. So the web design industry is not a get rich quick scheme, as you put it. So people think web design is a get rich quick scheme, but it is not. Web design is a business. The same way you start an e-commerce business and you grow it over time. Web design is just like that. You start web design, you grow it over time. You have to grow yourself from having no client, no customer, to getting your first customer, to getting your second customer. It's just like a ladder. You go from one step to the next step, to the next step, to the next step. So putting these things together, you have a perfect web design service. If there's no word that's perfect, you have a good web design service, and you have customers. So you do not jump into web design because you hear people make $1 million from web design. No, you go there because you want to present yourself as a business and you want to render services to people. So that is also another thing I see that most people do that actually give them issue. So the last thing I feel most people actually have problem with, it's their own digital agency. So when I started as a web designer, I really did not have anything to do with digital agency. I really did not create anything like that. I just did my freelancing business. But over time, I saw the need of this thing, of having a digital agency, because a digital agency gives you a place where you could keep your portfolio. So when customers reach out to you, you'll be able to show them something that you have done. So this was what I ignored when I started out. So without any business, without any portfolio, without any agency, without any website, people just come to my DM, and when they say give me a website you have done, I pack a lot of website out, and they don't see the credibility of that, because they feel, okay, someone else might have done this website, someone else might have done this and this and this, and then you just bring them as your own project. So the credibility comes from you having an agency, and then on that agency you listing out projects you have done before, clients you have worked it with, testimonials and all that. They tend to gain more trust, they tend to give you their trust when they see these things, because this is actually online. If you fake it, the real owners of those stuff might want to sue you. So that, for that sake, they'll feel like, okay, this person is trustable, this person is trustworthy, so we can actually give this person our project. So that, I feel, is one reason that you can actually work on to make your digital agency get more clients. So I think that's the four main reason most digital agency or most people don't get web design clients. So I actually created a list of videos recently on how you can find web design client. I listed different strategies, so you can go to my channel and check the playlist, and then you see the different videos I did on finding web design client. These are what have worked for me. And one of the best one out there is finding web design client on Instagram. That really worked for me. So I gave you guys a template. You can just go there, download the template and start using it for your own agency. Now, apart from that, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button on this video. Subscribe to my channel, join me, let's hit a milestone. So guys, thanks for watching this video. We've come to the end of this video. Now a different video is going to pop up on your screen that's going to help you find web design client using most of the strategies I've applied on my own digital agency that actually worked for me. As you can see, as you know guys, most times I really come on my YouTube channel and tell you guys what I've been going through, and for the past few months guys, I've been working back to back. So those strategies I apply in getting clients, they are all on my channel. I don't hide anything from you guys, so you can go there and watch this video, and it's going to teach you how you can apply these things to your own person as a freelancer and to your digital agency. So thanks for watching this video guys. I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.